How to hard reset Android phone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But it's very easy to go ahead and do this, but it can be incredibly frustrating if you have to hard reset your device because you've forgotten your PIN or password or anything like that. So all you want to go ahead and do is you're going to have to enter your Android System Recovery Console. Now this is available on every Android, including Samsung. So what you want to do is turn off your phone completely off. And if the screen is totally frozen, then what you got to do is hold down your power button and your volume down keys for 10 seconds until the display cuts to black. So even when it's on this screen, just keep holding it down and keep doing it until the display is black. Now what you want to do is press and hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. And you might need to hook your phone to a computer via a USB data cable for the hardware button combination to register. And just keep holding the buttons down firmly until the brand boot logo pops up, then release only the power button while maintaining your grip on the volume button until the text-based menu pops up. Now you're going to use your physical volume down button to scroll down through the text menu until you highlight wipe data or factory reset. And press the physical power button once to select it, and scroll down again using the volume keys to highlight factory data reset or yes, and press the power button to authorize the master wipe. Then you should be good to go.